Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss the last topic of the chapter motion, and the topic is uniform circular motion. We will discuss definition of uniform circular motion, examples of uniform circular motion, and at last we will discuss the numericals based on it. Now, the definition of uniform circular motion is if an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Means if an object is moving in a circular path, अगर कोई भी object किसी circular path पे या circular track पे move कर रहा है and its speed is uniform, then that motion will be known as uniform circular motion. The next point here it is written velocity is changing as direction keeps in changing. But if we have to move in a circular path, then we have to change the direction to cover that path. अगर हमें किसी सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव करना है तो उस पाथ को कवर करने के लिए वी हैव टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो व्हेन डायरेक्शन चेंजेस इट मीन्स वेलोसिटी इज चेंजिंग. तो इन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन वेलोसिटी चेंजेस बट स्पीड रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. There is a small difference between in uniform linear motion. Linear motion means when an object is moving in a straight line. In uniform linear motion, speed as well as velocity both are constant, but in uniform circular motion only speed is constant and velocity changes due to change in the direction. And at last, the formula of the uniform circular motion is speed equals to 2 pi r upon में speed का formula is distance upon में time. And if an object is moving in a circular path, then the distance covered by that object will be equals to the circumference of the circular path. Distance cover किसके equal होगा? जो उसका circumference होगा. And you all know the formula of circumference of a circular path or the circle is 2 pi r. तो distance will be 2 pi r and upon में time के लिए t. तो अगर हमें किसी भी बॉडी का जो कि सर्कुलर पाथ में रिवॉल्व कर रही है उसकी स्पीड निकालनी हो तो स्पीड विल बी 2 pi r upon में t. Now here some examples are given. Sun and planet means planets are revolving around the sun in a circular path, that is they are performing uniform circular motion. Moon is revolving around the earth. Atoms and electrons means electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Circular track, here it is shown circular track on which a person is moving, and here circular ride. ठीक है बेटा, these are the examples of uniform circular motion. Okay, now we will discuss the numerical based on uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion with a numerical is very simple. Formula you have studied, speed equals to 2 pi r upon में time taken. Now the question is, an artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometer. Radius beta is given, r equals to 42,250 kilometer. Calculate its speed. What we have to find out is speed. तो here we have written v equals to question mark. तो यहाँ पे हमने speed को v से denote किया है. If it takes 24 hours, time is given 24 hours. तो time here we have taken 24 hours. बेटा यहाँ पे time को हमें seconds में convert करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों? If the distance is given in kilometer, then we will take time in hours. And if the distance is given in meter, then only we have to take time in seconds. And in this question, distance is given in kilometer, then we will use time in hours only. So time is 24 hours to revolve around the earth. So beta, the question is very simple. R t is given, you have to find out the speed. But speed का formula is v equals to 2 pi r upon में time. स्पीड क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस अपॉन में टाइम। सर्कुलर पाथ में अगर कोई बॉडी ट्रैवल कर रही तो उसका डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, उसके सर्कमफेरेंस के इक्वल, दैट इज 2πr अपॉन में टाइम। तो हियर वी हैव पुट द वैल्यूज, 2 पाई की वैल्यू इज 3.14 एंड आर की वैल्यू इज 42,250 किलोमीटर अपॉन में टी इज 24 आवर्स। ठीक है, देन वी विल सॉल्व इट एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर। v इक्वल्स टू 11,055.416 kilometer per hour. But I have taken this numerical from NCERT exercise, and in NCERT book the answer is given 3.07 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड। तो उन्होंने टाइम को आवर्स को सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो करेक्ट। I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, bye.